beautiful. Bougainvillea. Is
Like
that grapes? Oh, grapes, yeah. There's no water here. Well, where do you get the water then?
Obviously, they got water somewhere because they couldn't survive without water.
Oh wow, look at that. Man, that looks lovely. Wow. As in, wow. So, that trees is already, grapes? It's a big one.
Grapes don't grow on trees.
What is that then? What do you think?
Don't know.
You don't know? You don't know what is that? Man, amazing. I can't tell either. Ah, I think that's a cherry. Man, look at that, man. This looks very nice under. Man, I can just go there under, man. Look at that. Maricopa. Wow. Finally, I saw a big farmland here in California. This is my first time I saw big farm here, I mean, in California. There we go, man. It's like non-stop. California have their own rice also. Rice. Man, look at that. That one. But remember when we went to Salt Creek? This land there is like wasted now. There's nobody in there.